Hey everyone, and welcome back. Let's talk about something we all deal with but might not fully understand. Earwax. You clean your ears maybe every day, and yet, that stubborn wax always seems to come back. It can feel a bit gross, a bit annoying, right? But what if I told you that what you think of as dirt is actually one of your body's most incredible built-in protection systems? That's right, that waxy stuff, scientifically known as cerumen, isn't just random gunk. It's a special substance produced by glands deep inside your ear canal for a very important reason. Think of it as your ear's personal security guard. Its primary job is to trap dust, dirt, bacteria, and all sorts of tiny particles that are floating around in the air, stopping them dead in their tracks before they can travel deeper and potentially damage your delicate eardrum. It's like a natural sticky fly trap for your ears, but its protective powers don't stop there. Earwax is also water resistant, helping to keep your ear canal dry and preventing infections like swimmer's ear. It even has properties that can stop insects from wanting to venture inside. So, in a way, earwax is one of your body's unsung heroes. But here's where things get tricky, and it's a huge problem. Most of us have been taught to clean our ears the completely wrong way. What's the first thing you reach for when you feel like your ears are clogged? For many, it's a cotton swab. It seems like the perfect tool for the job, but it's actually one of the worst things you can use. Every single time you push a cotton swab into your ear canal, you're not really cleaning it. Instead, you're acting like a trash compactor, pushing that wax deeper and deeper inside, packing it down against the eardrum. This is exactly how painful ear blockages, feelings of fullness, ringing in the ears, and even temporary hearing loss can start. You're accidentally working against your body's natural processes. Believe it or not, your ears are incredibly self-sufficient. They have their own sophisticated built-in cleaning system that works around the clock without you even noticing. You see, the skin inside your ear canal grows in a very specific way, outwards, from the eardrum towards the outer ear. This creates a slow, continuous conveyor belt effect. And simple, everyday actions supercharge this process. When you chew your food, talk to a friend, or even just yawn, the movement of your jaw helps to gently move the old dry wax along this conveyor belt until it reaches the outer ear, where it simply flakes off or is washed away when you shower. Your body is designed to handle it perfectly, all on its own. So, if our ears clean themselves, why do we get wax in the first place? And why do some people seem to have so much more than others? Well, it all comes back to protection. Your body is smart and adaptive. If it senses that your ears need extra defense, it will ramp up wax production. For example, do you use headphones or earbuds a lot? These can block the natural exit path for wax and also stimulate the glands to produce more. Do you live or work in a particularly dusty or dirty environment? Your body will create more wax to act as a stronger shield against all those particles. It's not a sign that your ears are dirty. It's a sign that your body is working overtime to protect you. But what should you do if you genuinely feel like your ears are blocked and that natural process isn't quite cutting it? The feeling can be really uncomfortable, so let's cover how to handle it safely. The number one most important rule is to never ever put anything solid inside your ear canal. No cotton swabs, no hairpins, no keys, nothing. You risk pushing the blockage further or even perforating your eardrum. Instead, here's a safer, step-by-step approach. Step 1 is to soften the wax. You can do this by using a few drops of a gentle softening agent. Body temperature olive oil, mineral oil, or specially formulated over-the-counter eardrops work wonderfully. Just tilt your head to the side, apply a few drops, and let it sit for a few minutes to dissolve and loosen the hardened wax. Step 3 is to gently clean the outside. After the drops have done their work, you can simply wipe the outer part of your ear with a soft, clean cloth. The softened wax should start to work its way out on its own over the next day or two. And crucially, if you still feel pain, pressure, or muffled hearing, it's time to see a doctor or an audiologist. They have professional tools like gentle suction or irrigation to remove the blockage safely and effectively. So, let's reframe how we think about this. Earwax isn't your enemy. It's not something to be aggressively scrubbed away. It is your body's quiet, tireless defender. It protects your precious sense of hearing. It keeps your ears healthy, and it performs its duty silently, in the background of your life. The next time you feel the urge to reach for that cotton swab, just pause for a second and remember, your ears already have the perfect system in place. Your body speaks to you in so many ways, even in the silence of an ear canal. We just have to learn how to listen. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more amazing facts about your body, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Stay curious, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.